Welcome back to my channel, Miss Medicine. This is the quick review of psychiatry. First is psychiatry and neurotransmitters. Schizophrenia. In schizophrenia, increased dopamine, depression, decreased serotonin, epilepsy, decreased GABA, obsessive compulsive disorder, decreased serotonin and decreased noradrenaline, mania and anxiety, increased noradrenaline, dementia, decreased acetylcholine. Sigmund Freud, associated with psychoanalysis, founder, concept of free association, concept of ego and superego, Oedipus complex, analysis of properties of cocaine. Next is delirium, also known as acute confusional state, memory registration and retention impaired, clouding of consciousness, disorientation, attention and concentration disturbed, marked diurnal variation. Next is dementia. No disturbance of consciousness, cognitive impairment, impaired judgment and personality alteration. Next is Alzheimer's dementia. Next is Alzheimer's disease, cortical not subcortical dementia. It is progressive disease associated with ApoE gene. Neurofibrillary tangles are seen and donepezil is used in the management. Next is autism, difficulty in concentration and communication, lesion in frontal and temporal lobe and cerebellum. Delayed speech and language development also seen, problems in forming social relationships in early childhood, stereotyped movements, poor speech, lack of social interaction. Asperger's syndrome, it includes recall Shah Rukh Khan in the movie My Name is Khan. It is a variant but without any delay in language or cognitive development, better prognosis. Next is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. Easy distractibility, poor attention span, impulsivity, and methylphenidylate and atom oxytocin are used in the management. Methylphenidylate and atom oxytocin are used in the management. Next is delusion, hallucination and illusion. Delusion, disorder of thought, false unshaken belief, not amenable to reasoning. Hallucination, disorder of perception, perception and the absence of external stimuli, not dependent of will of observer. Next, illusion, misinterpretation of external stimuli. Next topic is schizophrenia. First rank symptoms of schizophrenia are hallucination, thought alienation phenomenon, thought insertion, thought withdrawal, thought broadcasting, delusional perception, passivity phenomenon. Bleuler's criterion for schizophrenia, association disturbance, affect disturbance, autism and ambivalence. First symptom to go with treatment, auditory hallucination. Amphetamines causes paranoid schizophrenia, late onset schizophrenia, more than 40 years, good prognostic factors, acute onset and late onset, etc. Next topic is hypochondriasis. Essential feature, belief of serious medical illness that persists despite reassurance and appropriate medical evaluation, abnormal preoccupation of normal body functions, impulse control disorders, dipsomania, impulse control disorders, dipsomania, irresistible desire for alcohol drinks, trichotillomania. Next is impulse control disorders, dipsomania, irresistible desire for alcohol drinks, trichotillomania, need to pull out hair, pyromania, irresistible desire to set things on fire, and kleptomania, irresistible desire to steal articles. Next topic, phobic disorders, marked and persistent fear of objects, situations, exposure to which results in immediate anxiety reaction. Agoraphobia, fear of open spaces, claustrophobia, fear of closed spaces, management of phobia, cognitive behavior therapy, BEST and SSRI. I already uploaded all phobias video. If you are interested, you can watch that video. Next topic, depression. Most common psychiatric disorder in India is depression. Neurotransmitter involved in depression, serotonin, norepinephrine. Most common cause of suicide is depression. Most common type of post-pubertal psychosis is depression. Nihilistic ideas are seen in depression. Risk factors for suicide in depression are endogenous type of depression and psychotic depression, etc. Next is mania. Inflated self-esteem, grandiosity, flight of ideas and distractibility. Next topic, alcohol and psychiatry. Wernicke's encephalopathy involves mammillary bodies also involved in Korsakoff syndromes. Korsakoff syndrome presents as profound and persistent anterograde amnesia and confabulation. Feature of alcoholic paranoia is hallucination. Questionnaire used CAGE, CAGE, alcohol withdrawal, most common syndrome, hangover, visual and tactile hallucination, delirium tremens, disorientation, anxiety, perceptual defect, chlorodiazepoxide is used for the management. Next is sleep. Alpha waves, eyes closed and mind wandering. Night terrors are seen in non-REM sleep. Sleepwalking, somnambulism is seen in NREM sleep stage 3. Sleep terror, pavor nocturnus, seen in NREM sleep stage 3, treated by diazepam. Dissociative disorder, dissociative amnesia, patchy impairment of personal memory. Dissociative identity disorder, person is dominated by two or more personalities. Depersonalization disorder, it is detachment from self. Depersonalization disorder, it is detachment from self, social situation or environment, derealization. Next is obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. Neurotransmitter implicated serotonin. Features of OCD, obsessive thoughts and compulsive behaviors that impair everyday functioning, shows perfectionism, repetitive thoughts, images, etc. Obsession is ego, alien, conscious about disorder. Group B streptococci are associated with OCD. Management of OCD, fluoxetine, drug of choice, fluoxamine, exposure and responsive prevention. Next is mental retardation. Normal IQ 100. IQ is calculated. Mental retardation. Normal IQ 100. IQ is calculated as mental age by chronological age multiplied by 100. Mental ill health is usually due to social maladjustment. Chromosomal abnormality causing MR, Down syndrome most common. Fragile X syndrome second most common. Mild mental retardation 50 to 69. Moderate mental retardation 35 to 49. Severe mental retardation 21 to 34. Profound mental retardation 20 or below. If you are interested to know about schizophrenia and mental retardation, I already uploaded these two videos in details. You can also watch them. Next and the last topic is levels of intelligence. Idiot 0 to 24. Imbecile 25 to 49. Moron 50 to 69, borderline 70 to 79, low normal 80 to 89, normal 90 to 109, superior 110 to 119, very superior 120 to 139, and near genius 140 and overall. I already uploaded almost all subjects quick review LMR series, or you can say one-liners. You can also watch them for your last minute revision. Thank you.